Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to export characters in Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character AI. Over there, you can see a profile icon or a person icon. Tap on it. Then there you can see the option of settings at the top right corner. Tap on it. Over there, you have to scroll a little down. There you can see export data. Tap on it. Then your character will be exported. From there, you can export your character by sharing all the data you have. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.